Welcome back to our Crew HRM tutorial series. If you have successfully installed the Crew HRM plugin, this video will guide you through its settings and features, helping you to make the most of your job listing experience. Let's start with the job listing settings. The most crucial step here is selecting a page for displaying your job posts. Without this, you might encounter a 404 error when you try to view the job post. So make sure to choose a page from this section. We also advise setting your permalink to post name for better SEO and compatibility. The banner option lets you add a striking image at the top of your job listing page. If you include banner text, it will overlay the image, creating an eye-catchy header. Next, the sidebar filters and search fields can be toggled on or off, providing flexibility in how job seekers interact with your listings. You can also define how many job posts to load per page, enhancing user experience. The application form comes in two layouts, similar to Google Forms. The segmented structure breaks the form into steps, while the single form option displays all fields simultaneously. For simpler forms, the single form layout works best, but for more extensive applications, we recommend the segmented approach. Let's see how the default job listing page looks. Then we will add a banner, filter, and search field to show the enhanced appearance. Moving to outgoing emails. The free plan offers basic functionality, sending a confirmation email to applicants. Our Pro version expands this with 9 additional notifications for various roles. Editing email content requires overriding plugin files, which may need developer assistance. We plan to introduce a user-friendly graphical interface for this in the second quarter of 2024. Regarding files and attachments, the free version supports PDF and JPG formats. If you need to accept different types of files for jobs like design roles, please upgrade to our premium plan. It offers additional file type support. Under company information, ensure you input accurate details for your job posts and email communication. In the departments section, you can manage different departments within your company. Remember to make any deletions or edits, simply hover over the department name and you will see the buttons. And remember to hit save after making any changes. Our premium add-on provides white label customization, enabling you to tailor labels and logos to showcase your brand's identity. Lastly, please refer to our dedicated videos linked in the description box for Google Meet and Zoom integrations, because these processes are more detailed. Thank you for following along in our Crew HRM tutorial. For more insights and updates, keep watching our series. Our journey to efficient online recruitment just got easier with Crew HRM.